Okay, mic check. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a review on DynaPerformance carbon fiber. This is a box it came in. Ordered it last week on Sunday and I got it Friday afternoon. Regular shipping. I already opened it and installed that piece that you see over there. So I wanted to test it out. But as soon as you're able to pick it up, man, dude, this carbon fiber is thick. Like, it's pretty sick. So really worth it. Like, I think I got 30% off. Like, just the 6-piece dashboard is $199, but I got 30% off, so it was I think $140. It's a pretty good deal. I'm pretty sure if you hit them up, you know, they'll be able to hook you up, because they usually hook up a lot of people out there. But yeah, first impressions is pretty sick, not gonna lie. This piece and that piece, I think we can install that piece right now. I don't have scissors, sadly. But yeah, as soon as like you feel it, like if you haven't ordered, it's your first time, because this is my first time ordering from Carbon by Design, like, dude, it looks sick. It looks like this is one of the interior mods. Like, I should have first gotten. Well, this is one of the first interior mods technically I'm getting. But as soon as you pick it up, like, you can feel like it's pretty thick. It's really sick. Some YouTubers do have a point though. When I installed the one in the corner, they said peel as you go, because once you stick it, like, it's very hard to well, not very hard, but it's just, I mean, unless like you're really good at aligning it, but just take your time aligning it. Because once it sticks, it's on there. This right here, it could have gone a little bit more to the left. There you go, that's some good alignment right there. Yeah, that's awesome right there. Easy as that. Easy as that, boys. Then I would use my finger, but I don't want to get oil on it. Let's try to make sure it sticks on. Get the edges. So scratch the carbon fiber, man, but dude, it already looks sick. Damn, hella worth. Hella worth. Right. I'll do the other piece once I go to the other side. This is a big one. This one I think I'm gonna peel as I go, cause but yeah, no, I mean, all the pieces came out pretty good. I guess it's just depending on how UPS treats it. So it was a pretty solid box for DHL. Damn. Would be a game changer. Yeah, this looks like it was made from very good quality. Like the patterning is good. Damn, the line's pretty good too. Jeez, I feel like I'm on a Rolls Royce, which I've never been in. I've only seen Drake's Rolls Royce. My car is on because it's hot, and I have the AC on. Alright, so yeah, I already prepped the surface with rubbing alcohol. So that's because I do use the Chemical Guys interior wash. But now I think I won't be needing it. See why this would be a little difficult? Kind of, sort of. Kind of want to get it right the first time. Could be a little higher. It over here. It's a little off. Not too bad. That was honestly really easy. I think so, dude. There we go. It's a little better. Yeah, the alignment on this is it's really good. Pre-cut. Gap right there. There we go. Damn, looks really good. So I'm installing this beginning October. I think the 3M tape would hold up during winter. I mean, I live in South Cal, so I don't know. It doesn't snow over here, so I think it will. Just depending on prep. If I prepped it good or not. And I guess your initial, how many times you peel it off and on. But I'm assuming you leave a layer of residue of 3M on there. It feels pretty sticky. The only thing I didn't understand when I was looking at it was this piece. I was like, how is it gonna stick through there if there's like a gap? But I saw Doty and some other guys had the same dashboard and they installed it with no issue, so see how ends up. Damn, dude, this looks sick. I just ordered the 6-piece. I still need the Sunner center console. So this broke. I broke it. Danford made a cheap plastic e-brake, but I ordered one on Universal. Hopefully it fits. I got the measurements. It was the same size, but we'll see. I'll be installing that this Sunday if I get it. Okay, this is the last part. It looks pretty slick, huh? So this is the last 2-piece out of the 6-piece carbon fiber DynaPerformance dashboard kit. Now you can tell can you pop this up? I'm confused. Nope. So you can tell this is a top piece by there's a clear that's for the airbag. Yeah, so this what I was like worried about when I saw it on the website. I was like, how's it gonna stick? There's an air gap, because money, that's money right there. And that was kind of on the 3rd try. That was probably the best one so far, and it's the last one. The last. I was gonna think of smudge back there. Can't tell if it's scratchable. Yeah, with this piece I was gonna put like a signature ghost build or a badge. I don't know what would look better. Damn. That was like inside the scratch. Whatever. I'm excited. Pretty excited I got this kit. What I like about it, it's pretty thick. Like it has some weight to it, which I like. But now messing with it, it doesn't feel like it's gonna come off anytime soon. Made a good choice. Second time's a charm. Dude, this looks like freaking lit. Just want that to be flushed. This makes my inside fucking sick. That air bubbles out of there. And there it is, a 6-piece DynaPerformance install. One of first, one of many. Dude, this looks sick. Gonna take it off.